Okay, I know what you're thinking, but this isn't a rerun, this isn't a flashback, it's not deja vu. I'll explain in just a second. Greetings, every single one of you who clicked on this video, but particularly the people who watched my last Reebok question review, because all right. Before we even get into that, let's introduce today's sneaker so that it's less confusing. Today we are talking about the Reebok Question Low White Claire. This pair released on the Reebok website on June 30th for a retail price of 120 US dollars. Now, I know these are very similar to the gray toe pair that I reviewed. The card should be like somewhere up here. But honestly, you can never have enough white Tic Tac shoes for your collection. And of course, Reebok wouldn't give us the exact same shoe back to back. So let's check out the features of the White Claire and see what makes it different. And shout out to Allen Iverson, because the question, of course, is his shoe. And it feels really weird to get this deep into the video without even mentioning him. So in typical Reebok Iverson fashion, the white base of this sneaker is a super soft premium leather that extends around the shoe. You have to love some good, genuine leather. And since this sneaker is so heavy on leather, Reebok was nice enough to put some mesh on the tongue so that your foot can still breathe. On many Reebok Question releases, the big draw is the color of the toe cap, and that's why you have releases with names like Gray Toe, or how the OGs are called the Red Toe. OG! But on this pair, you can certainly appreciate this pristine white leather toe cap. It really looks way too clean to play basketball in these. This is like something that you have to wear to a banquet or a wedding. You have clean white laces in the front, or at least they are white now, and you see them passing through these lace loops, each one displaying the Reebok logo. I count a total of 17 Reebok logos on this sneaker. Come on, Reebok. At the rear of the sneaker, you notice that Reebok Question logo, which is a Q with, again, the Reebok logo hanging out of it. And then down at the heel, try to ignore this icy blue sole that's peeking out until we get there. But you can see that white leather patch displaying the number 3. I always love the midsole of the Reebok Question. Similar to Air Max sneakers, I just think it's dope to be walking around on bubbles. On the Question, you have 2 hexalite bubbles both on the lateral and medial side, and they're very fun to play with, to just squeeze. And BAM! Finally, we're looking at this beautiful blue outsole on the Reebok Question. Yeah, they could have made this sneaker all white, but I think having the outsole be this deodorant blue color just makes it a lot more fun. It's just a better sneaker when the outsole is vibrant like this. The sole is non-marking, so if you're moonwalking down the school hallway, you won't leave those black skid marks. There's also another window at the rear of the outsole where you can see more of that hexalite bubble. Okay. Now, before you guys fall asleep, let's slap these on foot and get a better look at the Reebok Question Low White Clear.
It's the cardinal thing, baby. Well, listen, baby, I can't help it if I'm just that. Walking, watch me make 10 figures, writing in that new G, blowing platinum up. G, everything that I do unique, and maybe it's Maybelline, or maybe these are the blue. I shine ever effervescently. You ain't as fresh as me, you'll never be, and you a casualty. You ain't as bad as me.
Emperor says, I wish you'd shout me out on your next video. So Emperor, consider this a shout out. Thank you for watching. In terms of sizing, I think it's safer to go up a half size and give yourself some room in the Reebok Question. I was stubborn and still went true to size, even though in my last Reebok Question review, I said the exact same thing. But rocking these true to size isn't bad, it's just a more snug fit. I'm surprised at how many people are sleeping on this pair. I was clocking these on the Reebok website. You know when they launched that page that says a sneaker is coming soon? I just left that browser open for like 3 weeks, ready to cop. But the 30th rolled around And these might be the easiest sneakers that I've ever purchased. I had time to enter my information manually, leave and go to the bathroom, get something to eat, come back, question my own identity, and then re-enter that information again, and still got through with no problems. I don't think any of the sizes sold out by the time I was leaving Reebok's website. But I'm glad I got these. Definitely planning to put some miles on this pair. Now, I want to know from you guys, did you grab a pair of the Reebok Question White Clear? Throw up a hand emoji in the comment section if you did. Okay, we are at the point in the video where I remind you Reebok Question reviews are mailbag episodes on this channel, meaning if you have any questions that you want to ask me, you can always send them to me on Instagram or on Twitter. And when a Reebok Question is released, if I cop, I'll answer the best questions in that video. So Eric asked, what is my favorite sneaker that came out this year? I might go with one of the foam runners, the MXT Moon Gray. I feel like I've worn this 100 times already this year. It's super cozy and you can literally wear this for any occasion. Tayo, or Teo, sorry if I'm butchering your name, asked, am I going to do a Curry giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers? And I actually got this question a few times. I don't really have an answer for that one. I'm gonna let you guys answer that in the comment section. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, is that what you guys want? Do you guys want a Curry giveaway? If that's not what you want, feel free to spam the comment section with ideas for what you think should be the giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. This one definitely fits with the theme of Reebok Questions. Odie asks, will there ever be another Allen Iverson? No. But yes, that is the Reebok Question Low White Clear. Let me know what you guys think. Do you love them? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Remember to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and if you made it to this point in the video, comment White Iverson. Thank you guys once again for tuning into the channel. I super appreciate each and every one of you. And I won't even mention 1,000 subs, but just know we are that close. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.